My name is Nick Senioris. I'm the owner of Hubcaps Hot Rod and Custom. So today we're here at Hubcaps Hot Rod and Custom, enjoying our first annual Brush Bash and Toy Drive. A brush bash is a way for artists, shops, customers, just car enthusiasts in general. It's a way to get together and share ideas, share styles, share that kind of common bond. And bringing in Brian from SoCal Speed Shop, Arizona, and Tony, and then just a lot of the stripers around town. You know, it gives us a chance to get out and drive the hot rods and do it for a good cause.
My name is Tony Perez. Most of my work is pinstriping. I dabble in airbrushing and illustration, but my love is pinstriping. That's what I like to do, is just get a brush and hand paint, stripes on a car, make someone's car unique to where it looks different than what you see just going down the street.
My name is Brian Benzing. My wife and I own SoCal Speed Shop here in Phoenix. And about a month ago, we ran across Nick from Hubcaps here at Good Guys Car Show. And we just started talking about what could we do for Christmas. We came up with the idea to do a toy drive, gather up some toys for the Phoenix Children's Hospital. It just kind of grew from there.
We're asking people to bring toys, that way we can donate them to kids, this Christmas. And we want to do this annually, so it's gonna pick up. We're gonna get more and more people participating here at this event, and it's a great event, great thing to do at this time of the year.
It's kind of cool walking around, checking out all these awesome guys that have skill way beyond I could even imagine having. Just laying down some straight, clean lines and doing some awesome artwork, and just some cool things to look at, man. From the plates they're painting on to the full-size boards, the Ratfink Rat over there, all that kind of stuff. It's just awesome to watch the skill these guys have and to see it come out of their hands and flow onto paper and stuff.
Super happy with the turnout. I'm happy with the amount of toys that everybody's donated. I'm happy to get the artists here. And, every year, I want to see it grow, just get bigger and bigger.
There's so many good things to eat here. They have pickled vegetables and jams.
And cookies.
Yes.
Hey, if you want good things to eat, you go to a farm store. But if you want good things to watch,
you watch Su Vida, so hit that subscribe button. But before you do, make sure you get a cookie.
there's not enough cookies for both of us, Vanessa.
Really? There's 4 there.
Yeah, there's not enough cookies for both of us.
Hit the subscribe button.